the collapsed building in Massey, Ita-Faji area of Lagos State. Now, many houses around this environment have been marked. In fact, demolition is ongoing and people are displaced. Most of the people you can see here, they have nowhere to stay. No provision by the government, no provision by civil society organization, no provision by the NGOs. Many of them were born here, they've been living here all their years. They've been living here all their life. They are on the streets with their children, with wives, with husbands. This is the all we're coming from the right time where the chairman of the CDA, Community Development Association, took us to. And this all is only provided for the victims of the collapsed building. Now, the people that are displaced from their houses, what are the provisions meant for them? We've heard a lot of persons have complained that there are abandoned buildings. They keep saying Fashola building in Onola. These are places where they can put people, at least temporary abode for them. Government needs to come to their aid. We will meet some of them, they will express their concern, their pains and agony. They want to talk out, they want to express their feelings. In fact, many of them are saying they participated actively in the just concluded election. They keep voting in government. It is time now for government to do their wish. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What's the name, sir?
My name is Ita-Faji.
All right, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What's the name, sir?
My name is Olugbani.
Okay, sir, Mr. Taufik. People want to hear you. What is the challenge here?
Thank you. I'm very grateful. Before I would like to proceed myself, I give thanks to our governor, Mr. Ambode, by what he has done for us. And God will wish him and his family a better thing. Are you listening to me? Because what happened now is for our own safety and it's for our own goods. What happened at over 5 days ago or 4 days ago is not by our own fault. It's God that make it happen like that. But when the incident happened, we boys in front of you talking now, are you hearing me? We are there to rescue the people that they are there by our own risk and their own life too. Are you hearing me? But what happened has happened. But we youth now, we are all human beings. We are the one that stand for you people that we want so person to stay. But unfortunately, what happened has happened. Those people that did what is wrong, that they have the gut and power to throw stone or pure water for our governor, they don't have the right of doing that kind of a thing. If that kind of a thing is not being happened, assuming the house that was collapsed is not collapsed, if the governor come to within our area to invite us or to have anything with us, they don't have the power and authority to do that. Many people will lost and some will be arrested and they will put in prison. But what happened right now is that what they are doing is for our own goods and it's for our own mighty. But it's not done this way. For example, like we now, we just pay for 2 years. We've not spent up to 3 months. Are you see my children here with me? And what happened is that, see the house that was collapsed. Some people, they are not about to sleep. They cannot have chance to sleep. They have to wait to up to night to this time of the extent, which is not supposed to be done. They don't have anywhere for us to create for us. It's their job that they are doing. We can't disturb them not to do their job. But they have to consider us with what they are doing. Are you listening? They have to see all my children now. Most and foremost, the house that was being collapsed. People that have 3 children, they are there. People that have 4 children, they are there. People that have two children, they are there. What of those people that are there? That house that was collapsed, that they have 3 children there, 4 children. Assuming they now move down to their house now that they should demolish their house. If they should buy DPO, or they should destroy anything, or they do any offense, or commit anything for any communication, they have the right to do whatever because their future is being lost, and you have the right to go to their house that they should destroy their house. Anything they want to offer us, anything they want to do for us, they should pardon us. Are you listening? They should pardon us. Fashola house is there at Onola, 50 million. All of us that we gather here, there should, for the population of all our family, we are not almost up to that 50 million. They should consider us. One at Isaleko again. where there is water, river water, Ilubiri, they call the place Ilubiri. The place is just meant for bed, not for human being. Are you hearing, my dear brother? They should help us. Anything they have to use to consider, they should consider us. My father is about to go to work now. Because of the incident that happened, he cannot be able to go to work. They should consider us. I can't say more than that.
Because ìgbà tí ilé wó níjọba ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn fẹ́ máa demolish gbogbo ilé tó wà nínú Lagos State kò jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó lè fún one time díẹ̀ láti lè jẹ́ ká gather anything tá fẹ́ gather láti lè kú omi tá ti ń live Toyota àti mọ̀ pé mi ta wà anybody ló manage but notwithstanding tí ó bá sílé tó wó ìjọba náà lè dìde láti sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ máa wó lé kiri gbogbo Lagos State kò dẹ̀ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó lè pìtì àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù kó wo nǹkan kan ṣe fún wa àbí kó wo gbé bóyá bá ṣe ń live yìí it's not okay kó dẹ̀ bá wá ibi tó dáa tó máa fà á mẹ̀kúnnù sí because ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù ó wọ́n ti ń wó lé máa lórí báyìí o àwọn tá níyàwó tá lọ́mọ àríbi live àríbi tá máa lọ àní 300,000 tá máa fi gbálé o bá ṣe ní wá lára lọ́pàá ní wá lára ní gbogbo wọn lé wa kiri àdúgbò ẹ bá wá nǹkan ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí o because ẹ bá wá nǹkan ṣe sí because a ti ń para gan o àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ti ń bínú o àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ti ń bínú o kó má dàbí ẹgbẹ́ òtíjọba ò lérò lọ́ máa bá o a kì í ṣọlọ́run o èèyàn bíi anybody ní gbogbo ìwọ wa adájọ́ dìbò fún wọn ó ní pátákó nu ẹgbẹ́ o kó ṣàánú wa kó wà kọ́kọ́ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ wa gbogbo ilé tó fọwọ́ wa kọ́ tí ó sẹ́ni tó ń gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ kó jẹ́ ká àmẹ̀kúnnù máa lọ gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ká máa lọ líìfù bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyá jẹ́wọ́ wọ́n fi yàrá níwọ̀lú yìí o wọ́n á jẹ́ ká ló jẹjà o wọ́n á jẹ́ ká rí mú mi o wọ́n á jẹ́ ká rówó náà o kó má jẹ́ ká sọ́fà mọ́ kó ṣàánú wa ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí sí ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ yìí pé ìlú Nàìjíríà máa ní àtúnṣe ẹ̀yin dàda lè túnṣe fún wa ẹ̀yin dàda lè fi túnṣe ní pé ẹ má fara ní mẹ̀kúnnù ẹ má fi yà jẹ mẹ̀kúnnù ẹ má máa ṣèlú yìí kó dà kó dẹ̀ lẹ́tọ̀ kó dà kó gẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ ẹ̀yin náà lọ lu òyìnbó ẹ̀yin bí lu òyìnbó ṣe rí ẹjọ́ bá wa ṣe káwa náà ní security kí gbogbo nǹkan máa lọ létòlétò bá àti ẹ̀rọ oúnjẹ jẹ déédéé kálàáfíà bá wa ẹjọ́ bá wa ṣe ìtàlẹ̀ ṣe ni.
Èmi ò ní sóyìnbó Yorùbá ni máa sọ nítorí báwọn tó ń darí wa yìí náà Yorùbá ni wọ́n àwọn náà máa wò wá báyìí o àwọn làwọn ń tẹ̀ka fún wọn o dáná ń dìbò fún wọn o ilé wa ń wó ilé ń pa àwọn ọmọ ó ti yé wọn wá ń da lérú wọn ní kó máa wọlé ó ti yé bùrákọ kọ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ síbẹ̀ yẹn o Fàṣọlá là ń sọ o kọ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ síbẹ̀ yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló ká máa kẹ́wù lọ báyìí lẹ́nìí àbẹ́ sì gbọ́ báyìí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kan máa kéwù lọ lẹ́ni báyìí pé owó tó fowó ṣe ilé ló kọ́ ibẹ̀ yẹn àfẹ́mọ̀kọ́ ló fowó yẹn ṣe ọ̀tí ìsọ ó ti yé ó make sense o ó ti yé tẹ́bádé wọ́n yẹn yọ àwọn ọmọ kú ọbẹ̀ yẹn jọ yẹn àwọn ọmọ yẹn kéré ọrùn ti sọnù báwọn ọmọ kú dànù ìgbà ẹ̀ lẹ́ wá ń gbé wèrè wá ẹ̀ wá ń gbé apára polo wá bọ̀ owó kan náà ń gbé wa náà ó wà pẹ̀lú benefit wa náà pé àwọn ti gbà pé ẹ jẹ́ kó ẹ máa yọ pé lẹ́yìn ò dá náà ni gbogbo lẹ́wọ́ wà fún wa ṣé wọn bóyá tọrọ wà lọ́wọ́ kọ́bọ̀ àwọn lọ́wọ́ wa ni ànítọ́rọ̀ àníkọ́bọ̀ bóyá lè wáyé láti ká máa lọ ẹ̀yin ni bàbá wa sọ aláyé CNN lè pe ara yín o ẹ̀yin àbí kí n kórúkọ CIN ẹ jẹ́ kó máa yé wọn ìgbé ilé ìbáyé lákọ́ sọ̀nà ọ̀la ó sì yé kí lẹ́kùn máa kó lọ́bẹ̀ o àwọn akọ́rù wà lọ́bẹ̀ ni kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ gbólógùn wa kọ́ máa yìnbọn.
The question I will just ask is, do we have government? Do we have government? Before this incident that happened 3 days ago, we have government. Now we have collapsed building that we lost most lives, our children, our future. It was then that you remember that we have some weak building that is that supposed to be? These people that you are displaced, where do you want them to live? I'm not a victim, but I thank God. But those people that are victims, I pray to God that God should I sympathize with them. But please, government, what I'll just tell you is that you can't displace people like this. You have to give them a quick notice, like 2-3 months. Please, this house, for your own safety, this house is weak. So you cannot just displace people. Look at these children. They are now you have displaced them. Where do you want them to live? Now before this, okay, we are being victim of developers. Who are the developers? We don't want developers. Okay, now you have displaced these people. If they want to get another house now, we will be looking for 1.something million, 500,000. Where do you want us to get that for a room? Who are the developers? Are they our government? I have nothing to say, but please, government, do something about this. You cannot displace us like this. That's my own.
Government, do something. You cannot displace us like this. These are sights and sounds from Lagos Island. I can confirm to you that these men here and these children, they don't have where to sleep tonight. They have been displaced. Let's listen to this distinguished man.
Good morning to be anybody that try to watch this channel. Thank God people are trying for your support, that you make something for your impact about this particular disaster to Nigeria. Yeah, you do well, CIN. So what happened is not by our power, it's God that make everything to be so. So we thank God for what He's doing, because if millions of lives are destroyed, there's nothing we can do. But we give glory to God for what is happening. Then this Lagos State, or between Nigeria, we have a government that control Nigeria. But what happened? We have to follow the procedure. We don't live in Lekki or Magodo or whatever anywhere. This is Lagos Island, where they born us, we go school there, we live, you understand me? What happened at Ita-Faji? Everybody was not happy about it. But now, because of the house now, you people come to inside the area, started demolish most houses without no notice. We have all the world to check it out. That is not proper. That is not the way they are doing something. Look at the children, look at the family, look at the property of so many people outside that they want to destroy their house. Where do you want them to live now? And we voted APC for the president. We vote Sanwo-Olu. We vote him from the grassroots, all this area. We try our best to follow the right channel, the party that we belong to in this Lagos State. The people should have enough something to provide for the masses, whatever, anywhere, anything they want to do. Please and please, right from our leader from the party, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, down to Fashola, Ambode, including Sanwo-Olu, they should be able to do something for the masses. Go and look at many people property outside. There is nowhere to fight to live. Look at the children. Look at everything. We are APC to the core in this Lagos State. That we're proud of it. Let them from the Tinubu to the last down to do something for us. This is not the way they do something. In Western world, we have been good here, we see how they do. This kind of thing, when it's happened, they will remove them from here, take them to the anywhere that they have already built, that they should stay there for some months before they start to do. But nowhere now, you want to demolish all the houses. They should please do something better. Do something better.
All right, government should do something better. The situation here is so pathetic. It's terrible. We'll be right back after this break. are still in Lagos Island, where demolition of houses is ongoing at the moment. And this mother, one of her statements caught our attention, and would like her to hear our opinion for the government and for everybody out there to hear her. Mama, ẹ ń sọ ọkọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, ẹ yẹ káwọn èèyàn gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹ ń sọ yẹn.
Nǹkan tí mi ń try láti sọ ni pé nǹkan tó ṣe yìí kò dùn mọ́ wa nù, àmọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àdúgbò ló jẹ́ ká gbà fọ́lọ́hun. So kán dẹ̀ tó bá wa jẹ́ kó yé wọn nínú agenda àjọ jíjọba bá fi sínú agenda. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó jẹ́ kí owó ilé àtowó ṣọ́ọ̀bù kó máa lọlẹ̀, ó ti pọ̀ jù, òun náà la ṣe ń rún rí láàrún ra wọn. Bí mo ṣe wà yí gan ẹ̀ tí mi ò gbé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe fún mi, bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo gbà fọ́lọ́hun ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi nílọ́ọ̀kan yẹn. Mi ì wà òkè.
Okay, shop to our local Igogo. That's it. This shop here is a shop. She has just vacated this shop. These are our properties. I think she's a typist. She's a typist. These are. See now that she has been displaced from her shop, and we don't know. I think the government needs to come to their aid to salvage this situation. But mommy, ṣé àgbà ó ní wọ́n ti fún notice lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilé tẹ́lẹ̀?
Yesterday wọ́n ti fún wọn. Day after yesterday wọ́n lẹ̀wé mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ fi òkú sọ lẹ́yìn lọ́hùn. Just only 1 day jẹta wọ́n dẹ̀ wá wó lánàá. For back front of the house wọ́n ti break ẹ̀. That's why táwọn náà fi kẹ́rù kó bẹ̀. Ẹ tẹ́ bá wo gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ti dìbò àwọn èèyàn ti kú bẹ̀. Both 2 of them house, 3 of this house.
Kí lẹ rò pé ìjọba lè ṣe fún yín nísìn?
Ẹ̀pù tán bá lè tẹ̀ ṣe èmi o especially you kódà ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run wò wá. Kò sí jíjẹ kò sí mímu fún mi tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ń bọ́ mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí situation. Ó lásìkò táwọn student máa ń wá fún market wa. Tó ti yẹ ibẹ̀ ẹ̀ tí mi ò gbé. Wọ́n tún wá gbé pé ká jáde ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù tá à ń yí wọn. Wọ́n bá lè help wa. Wọ́n rí ibi kan tó bá fẹ́ fi há sí. Ìwọ fi mí há sí. Èmi nídìí help lọ́dọ̀ ìjọba ṣá.
You can now, mommy, what is the name?
My name is Latifat Gani.
So now everyone here needs help. She has been displaced from a place of source of income or source of livelihood. Many of these children here, you can see, they are displaced. Nowhere to lie their heads tonight. We all need help. We'll be right back after this break.